Alright, when it was time to decide on a center console, it was a no-brainer for me. I wanted what we call the Walmart special, $29 job. Sometimes it's like $25, $24. Anyway, couldn't find one. Got on Walmart.com, couldn't find it. Amazon.com, couldn't find it. So I went on Facebook group and asked about it, and sure enough, they're discontinued. And of course, several people were like, "Oh no, you need to get a, Explorer one or this or that." Well, here's the thing. I really like that Walmart special one. I don't like the factory ones. The factory ones are always small storage. The cup holders are usually too small, and etc. I'm always bashing engineers and designers, but I really like the design of this one. And I know everybody says the back piece falls off, and yes, if you put enough weight on it, yeah, it'll break off. But here's the thing, it's real easy to put it back on, and if you JB weld it on, or even plastic weld it on, it ain't going anywhere. But I just love the cup holder size on it. I love the fact that you got that little slot there, which I usually put my reading glasses in. You got the coin holders up front, broken down with each type of coin. But the best part is the storage in the middle. I mean, you can put everything in there and you can customize it. You see, I've got my gate key there. You got flashlight and a knife and a pen there. And no longer need these, thankfully, but have mass if I need them. And just other various junk and so forth that you can store in there. And yes, everybody says, "Oh, but the lock is easy to pick." You know what? You don't even bother locking it because, yeah, it's not really a lock. I mean, it will keep out the most honest thief out there. But short of that, I think you can just about put anything up in here and move it out of the way. I don't think there's a whole lot of resistance on it. Plus, it's just a real flimsy plastic. You could probably just pry it open. So no, I don't use it for secure locking mechanism, but I love the size. I love how it just seems to have something for everything. The back cup holders are probably the weak link. They're not deep enough to really hold anything during driving. Whereas these, at least, they're tall enough that things can wiggle around and not fall out for the most part. Every now and then I can get a water bottle to kind of tip over and fall out of there. But anyway, yeah, I really like these. And this is what I wanted to put in the Taurus. After my Facebook post, several people posted links. And there was a place that sold them for about $65, so a little more than double price. And I thought, okay, I'll suck it up. I'll buy a $65 one because I'd rather do that. So I get on their website and it says, "Hey, if you're a new customer, 10% off." So I think, okay, great, I'll do that. Well, then it says the discount code is no good. So I try again. Well, then it says, chat with somebody. So I was like, "Hey, this code's not working." And they tell me, "Oh, it doesn't apply to that item." Wrong. It says 10% off any purchase. It doesn't say any exclusions or nothing. So it was a bait and switch, basically. Then they tried to tell me, "Well, we'll give you 5% off." No, too bad. So now they're going to get bad publicity here, and I still have 2 years if I want to file a Deceptive Trade Practices Act lawsuit against them. So after all of that, I got on Amazon and I did a different search. Instead of center console, I think I did clutter catcher or something like that. And I found one. It says it's back ordered. It says it'll be here in 2 months, but it was only $43. So we shall see if it's truly back ordered and not just forever gone. I may have one in here. Otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the drawing board. Maybe the junkyard will have something that's tolerable for me. So like I said, I typically don't like the factory center consoles. They're just usually the storage is not enough and the cup holders are usually not good. So let me know what you think. Do you have a favorite center console?